Hey guys, it's Scott Isaacson with Marine Max Sail and Ski. I'm at the Lakeway location. Today we're down at the Sail and Ski Yacht Club in Lakeway, and we're looking at this 2015 Sea Ray 230 SLX. Just see the beautiful lines. And as we look to the swim platform, you see the nice sea deck flooring, a Bravo 3 drive, and then look at the ladder, telescoping ladder down. Nice spot to grab there. Actually, I do want to show how deep the ladder gets in the water. So you have this nice handle here. You see the nice touch of the beautiful upholstery. What's nice about this, get this backrest. These arms can pop up both sides. See this nice rear facing lounger, and this area turns into the hangout. Beautiful L-shaped bench, these nice big bucket seats. Come to the helm. Nice, easy to read gauges. Got your stereo remote. A real nice fit and finish. You see with all the 230 SLXs. Whoop, glove box. And just the little things. Cup holders there, and then storage. Cup holder up for. These also have the flip-up bolsters. You have a ski locker for storage below. Nice cushion. You can see there's a nice big built-in cooler. Lift up the engine compartment. We've got beautiful 350 mag, 300 horsepower Merc Cruiser motor. Some storage. Battery on off switch. Storage throughout. Place to plug in your battery maintainer. Overall, a very clean, pre-owned boat. You have a great sound system. A lot of seating. For a very happy new boater. Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with Marine Max Sail and Ski out here in Lakeway. We also have two other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.